Locked out of your password manager?
Forgetting your password manager's master password can be stressful, but don't panic. Most modern password managers have built-in recovery options to help restore your vault, if you act carefully and follow the correct steps. Let's guide you through what you can do to regain access safely.
Check for recovery options.
First, look for recovery features offered by your password manager. Many provide account recovery through email, biometrics like fingerprints or Face ID, or emergency recovery codes you saved when setting up your account. Visit the official support or login page to explore these options.
Use emergency backup methods.
Some password managers encourage users to create recovery keys or emergency access for trusted contacts. If you set up such a backup method, now is the time to use it. Have your recovery key or contact your trusted person and follow the instructions provided to help restore access.
What if no recovery option exists?
If recovery options like email, biometrics, or backup codes are unavailable, your vault may be irretrievable for security reasons. In this case, you'll likely need to reset your account completely. Set a new master password and re-add your logins manually. This is a harsh but necessary protection.
How to prevent future lockouts.
To avoid losing access in the future, save your recovery codes in a secure place, enable biometric unlock if available, and choose a strong but memorable master password. Consider writing down reminders or using a reputable backup method for added safety and peace of mind.